Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by equipping sleep pots in your fast item slot and confirming you have at least 3. Once ready, enter combat and position yourself at mid-arena distance so you can dodge inward. You want to bait a forward charge or stagger from one of the Godskins. When either happens, step slightly to the side and throw. The initial toss is about forcing the sleep effect early. It buys you a long window to separate the duo and land a critical follow-up. Once one Godskin is asleep, immediately use terrain and sprint to create spacing so the other doesn't interrupt. You should approach the sleeping foe cautiously, land a critical or a short, high-damage combo, then back away. Make sure to keep an eye on the awake partner. If it turns, you must dodge or sprint to maintain the sleep window. If your first sleep fails, reposition and try again. Conserving pots matters. So mix melee bursts with baiting to reset attacks and secure another sleep opportunity. To finish the encounter, focus damage on the sleeping Godskin until it dies or is staggered. Then immediately switch targets and prepare another sleep pot if available. If the sleep breaks early because the other Godskin closed distance, step back, use ranged bait or a guard to force separation, and try the throw again. Make sure to manage stamina and resist panic watering of pots. Patience and precise timing will let you chain sleeps and pick them off one by one without getting overwhelmed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.